Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about AAEON UP Xtreme 7100 mini PC. So friend, AAEON has announced the release of the UP Xtreme 7100, a all-in-one robotics solution available as both a single board and mini PC. Both the UP Xtreme 7100 and its system-level counterpart are available in SKUs powered by Intel Core i3 and 305 or Intel Processor N97 CPUs, chosen due to their balance of lower power consumption and high performance, consistent with previous product lines from AAEON's UP division. So friend, the UP Xtreme 7100 and the UP Xtreme 7100H are built on compact form factors in order to address space resistant, and friend, the UP Xtreme 7100 board level solution measures just 120 by 122, while the H system version comes in at 152 by 124 by 40 mm. And friend, the UP Xtreme 7100 and UP Xtreme 7100S are equipped with a number of terminal blocks for serial communication, along with a 30-pin board-to-board connector that offers digital I/O, GPIO, and isolated RS-232, 422, 485 function. Furthermore, CAN 2.0b, a DIP switch, and LED indicators are on board to make the solution conductive to establishing communication with other devices on the CANBus network. And friend, peripheral devices such as cameras are supported by high-speed I/O configuration featuring 2 RJ45 ports for Intel I226-IT, 4 USB Type-A ports, 1 USB Type-C port which also support DP 1.4a, and a further display output is present in the form of an EDP 1.3 connector. Both the board and system are built for industrial use, armed with rugged features that include a wide 9W to 36V power input range, surge, vibration, shock resistant, and lockable I/O port. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.